Welcome to Travel.hug. It's your boy, Jumobi. And today we're diving into a very, very, very important topic that is crucial for every traveler out there. Yes, including you. And guess what? Yes, you're right. Visa refusal and how to avoid them. That's it. You see, if you've ever been denied your visa or you're just generally nervous about applying, this video right here is for you, my guy. So let's get started. Visa refuses can be very, very disappointing, right? I know, especially when you are very, very excited about a travel opportunity that gets open to you and then suddenly you're denied. I know that feeling. But here is the good news. Most of you, or most of us generally get denial because of avoidable mistakes. And if you understand the basic rules of these mistakes and how to avoid them, you can definitely increase your chances of getting that visa you so very much wanted. So, why exactly do visas get denied? Here are my top five reasons. Top five reasons. Number one, not disclosing previous visa refusals. What exactly are you hiding? These guys can actually access your travel history. So why hide it from them? Let them know if you've been refused visa before. Nothing to hide. Number two reason for visa denial, using fake or inconsistent documents. Come on, be authentic. Whatever document you're going to submit for your visa application should be original, should be authentic, and be consistent with the documents. You cannot apply to US 5 months ago as a lawyer in your job description, and then you're applying to Canada this month as a banker. Come on, guy. Is that how you switch job? So consistency is key in your documentation when applying for visa. My top number three reason for visa denial, lack of home ties. You need to prove to these guys that you are coming back home. Show you have a family, you have a wife, you have a kid, you have a property, you have a job, you have a business, you have something that will bring you back. These are solid home tie samples that you can use, during your visa application. Number four on my list for reasons why you can be denied your visa, it's inappropriate proof of fund. You see, you need money to travel. Traveling is not cheap. And you need to prove to these guys that you are not broke. That's the whole essence of proof of fund. That's the whole essence of POF. So you need to have a solid POF, a solid proof of fund that shows them that, yeah, I have the money, I have the funds for this trip. So let your account statement show it. Whatever document you are to use to back that up, whether it's an investment, whether it's savings, make sure it's solid and it's on ground. And number five, not having a solid purpose for your trip. So you need to be clear on your travel purpose. Is it tourism? Is it a visit? Is it study? Is it work? You need to be precise and concise when you are filling your application form. So because this actually either gives a red flag or a green flag during your visa application. Now that you already know five ways that your visas can be denied. So here is another five ways how you can prepare yourself against visa denial and get that visa that you desire. Number one, check your documents properly. So review your document again and again from one to the last. Make sure your documents are properly in place. Check it again and again. It's very crucial. It's very important. This I personally do for myself or our clients at Travel.hug. Document confirmation and reconfirmation. It's just essential. You don't want to joke with that. And number two is be financially ready. Again, I said it before, traveling is not cheap. Traveling is expensive. Make sure you are financially ready. Save if you have to save. Get a sponsor if you have to get a sponsor. Get a loan if you need to get a loan. Whatever you need to do, make sure you are financially ready. Flight is not cheap. IHS fee, health insurance is not cheap. Visa fee is there, documentation. So you need money. You need money. And number three on my five list is rehearse the interview. Prepare for the interview if there's going to be any. Even if there's not going to be any interview, still prepare, because you never can tell. You can get a VSF email. You can get a call from these guys from the embassy at any time without even informing you, just for them to check in and confirm some information or so. So get yourself prepared, rehearse, check videos of past people who have done interviews, and get yourself just ready for anything at any time. And number four on my list will be start your application early. Late application leads to failure. So give yourself enough time to prepare. Start early, put things together, gather enough fund, gather enough documents. So just start early, really, so that you can have that head start to get everything you need to get them right. And last but not the least, be honest. Transparency is key. Say it as it is in your application. You don't need to lie about any information. And if you must lie, be honest with your lie, if there's anything like that. Or be brief. No long lies. I mean, just be plain. That's the whole point. Be direct, say it as it is, and look forward to a successful application if you can apply these five keys. So now that you have all the tips, I believe, for you to apply for a successful visa application, you are free to go ahead. However, if after your application you still get a visa refusal, because it's possible. Yeah. So if it happens, your visa is still denied, don't panic. Get a bottle of wine, sit down with your refusal letter, read it in and out, go through every reason listed in the refusal letter and the reason why that visa was rejected. Go through everything, understand it, and then repackage your visa application and resubmit again. Why? Because visa denial or refusal is not the end of your travel dreams. It's just another opportunity for you to reapply in a smarter way and a better way until you get what you want. So there's no need to panic. Be glad. Here at travel.org, we are positioned to bring you every viable update and news, information, everything that you need to make sure your travel dreams comes to life. So if you find this information helpful, you love any part of it, maybe not all part, but any part of it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the like button, uh, ring the bell button as well so that you can get awareness for the next post. And don't forget to share the link, the video with your friends, your family. And don't forget your enemies, please share with them. Let them also benefit from this information. Until we see you again in the next video, I remain your guy, Jumobi.